For me, 2021 was such an awful year.
The Delta variant.
New alarm bells ringing tonight in the...
But also one of my favorites, and definitely one of the most life-changing years of my life. 2021 was the first full year with COVID, and the world shut down. People at odds with each other over masks, mandates, vaccines, and our political status and who we voted for. We all lost friends and family due to being forced into a box, either picking one side or another. But I decided, fuck it. I'm gonna shut my doors with my girlfriend and make YouTube videos. On New Year's Day, I moved out of my parents' house at 19 after dropping out of college because of COVID the year before. We then isolated ourselves from everyone for the next year and put all of our effort into this channel. In 1 year, I went from a college student in a gap year to a full-time YouTuber and a dropout. We moved twice and are now getting ready to buy our first home to expand studio space. We hit 25,000 subscribers. Oh, and then we hit 100,000 subscribers, which is insane to even say. We got over 13 million views and 33,865 minutes of our videos watched. 2021 had the biggest ups and downs. I moved into my first apartment ever, which was huge, but I also had my channel hacked and terminated twice. Those were some of the lowest points of my life. But more than anything, 2021 taught me one huge life lesson. No corporation, big business, government, or political party is going to change when I decide to cut to B-roll. See? I've been kicked down so many times this last year, whether through the channel or through social or mental health issues. I'm sure we all have in 2021. It's easy to forget in this world of control that our choices are still our choices. And my choices in 2021 brought me to a place of insane opportunity and allowed me to have my dream job and live in a city I wanted to in spite of everything going on. And all of this is thanks to you supporting, viewing, commenting, learning, and just enjoying the content that we make. So thank you for making everything I have right now possible. And hopefully in 2022, we can all go into this year with a mindset of optimism, togetherness, and hitting that subscribe button below.